video 2 on the use of this AC Pro. This is a follow-up. I wanted to make sure I didn't get any measurable amount of air inside the system, and here we go. We got 100% R134 and our air percentage is 0. That was lucky. Using a can of AC Pro. But we know the can of AC Pro maximum amount of refrigerant with what would be left in the can in the hose would not exceed our maximum value on the sticker for this vehicle. So I knew I wasn't going to overcharge. And I will put that down as an AC Pro success story. Have you ever heard me say that about AC Pro? I can't knock them. In this scenario, under these conditions, it worked out. For all the cars that you've seen me done videos for where customers put more than one can of AC Pro and they had the shaft seal blown out in the front of their compressor because there was so much lubricant that if you hooked up a pair of analog gauges, the high side was tagging, and you can actually feel the line knocking from the compressor because there's so much lubricant in there. It was literally trying to compress oil in a compressor because they put multiple cans which keep putting 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, 4 ounces of lubricant in the system because the can of AC Pro comes with lubricant inside of it. For the ones that come with like the R4s with a broken rod on the compressor, on the Radio 5 compressor, because it was over lubricated and it was pounding and it pounded itself to death because they put multiple cans of AC Pro. That is a problem. It was not meant to be operated that way. For those customers that you've seen I've had come in who had 10%, 20%, 30% on my videos with air in them because the seals inside their can of AC Pro leaked when they tried to do it, even though they attempted to do it with the vacuum pump and do it right, and something was done wrong, unfortunately. But it all got caught because I can actually measure the quality of the refrigerant with a refrigerant identifier, something that every shop should have. And here in California with the Bureau of Automotive Control, thank God, finally, it's a couple decades too late, finally made it mandatory, recommending that all the shops mandatory as of 2018 in California. You know, we are that other kind of state in our union. It's mandated now. You must have a refrigerant identifier to identify your refrigerants, and it's a great diagnostic tool. All right, I'm out of here. My next customer really wants to see me and even called me up asking me where I was. All right, see you guys.